welcome back. So in the previous video we have talked about registering an application, and we have registered an application named demo app, and we have talked various supported account types. And in this video we'll be configuring the platform settings. So we'll just talk about the various configured platforms, and and in the end I'll be also keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. I hope you like it, and coming to this video, let's go ahead and start. So if you go to these where is that app registrations, you can see the registered app that we have created today. So click that, and right now nothing is set up, just we have created this app. And now let's go to the authenticate section, which is under manage. So click that, and we have platform configurations. So you can read here. So depending on the platform or a device or application is targeted, additional configuration may be required, such as redirected URL, specified authentication settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and try to see what are the platforms available for us. So let's click that, and you can see we have web applications, mobile and desktop applications. So coming to the web applications, we have web single page application. So if we talk about web, let's click that. So if we talk about configure web, we have redirect URIs and front channel logout URL and so on. So you have to enter this redirect URL for your app. So the location where Microsoft Identity Platform redirects a user client and sends the security tokens after the authentication is done. So you have to select this platform for standard web application that runs on the server. So that is what you have to do if you go ahead and configure for the web. So right now I'm not creating it, so I'm just showing you various options. So if you check the previous option, I think in one of the app I have created it. So let's go to the app, authentication. Sorry, go back. There you go. In the SQL app, we have created authentication, where we have created the redirect URIs. So you can see the URI will accept has destination when returning authentication responses tokens after successfully authenticating or signing out users. The redirect URIs for to send in a request to login service should match one listed here, and so on. So this is what it is. So we have added this. So that is how simple it is. So you have to just add that. So but since limiting to the video, I'm just not adding them, so I'm just showing you the options here. So let's select the second one, which is single page application. So configure browser client application and progressive web application JavaScript. So you have to enter this redirect URI for your app. So the location where the Microsoft Identity Platform redirects a user's client and send the security tokens after authentication. So if you click that, you have to select this platform if you are building a client-side web app in JavaScript or with framework like Angular, Vue.js, React.js, and so on. So that is what it is. And let's go to the other one, where we have iOS and Mac. So Objective-C, Swift, and the other language. So if you click this, so you have bundle ID. So this can be found in Xcode in info.plist. It's specifically to those particular platforms. So these are sections, because I have not worked with iOS and Microsoft app, so I'm not sure about info.plist file. So you will be finding those bundle ID in those particular sections, in those particular files. So the redirect URI is generated for you when you specify this bundle ID. So that is specifically for iOS and or Microsoft app. So let me go to the other one, which is Android. So in the Android there is Java, Kotlin, and so I'm familiar with Java and Kotlin, but I'm not sure about the other one. So if you talk about Android, we have to enter the package name. So you can see we have a package name here. So we have to enter this package name. And this package name, you can find it in manifest folder, in the manifest file, and you have to generate and enter the signature hash. So the redirect URI is generated for you when you specify these settings. So that is what it is. So let me show you what is package name, because I have worked with Android Studio. So if you click Android, you can see under manifest we have android.manifest.xml file. So here where you can get the package name. So you can see here we have a package name, so you have to use this package name. So this is how simple it is. So whenever you're creating Android application, this is the main folder which you should be taking care of. And coming to the Java, you can write it in the Java folders, and coming to the the interface and all, it will be in the XML files. And this is the main folder where you can select download from Play Store. You can see this particular it will be in the strings and the app dot so this is my app name. So this is what you'll be seeing whenever you create an application. So you have to just mention the name here, so and theme and so on, and icon as well. So icons will be inside main map. So this is simple about Android Studio. So just wanted to tell you about this, where you can find the package name. So yeah, this is how simple it is. So you can also create Android apps very easy. If you're creating not much functionality, then it is very easy to create it. So let me know in the comment section whether you want to learn Android Studio as well, so that I can make a few videos related to that. And yeah, I was also playing with this image as well. So yeah, so this is where you can find the package name in the Android Studio. So let me go back here and let me select the final one, which is mobile and desktop applications. So here you can select the suggested redirect URLs, which is these three, or you can add your custom redirect URLs. So this is the final one, and once you select it, you just need to click the configure and it will be done for you. So that is what the task 2 is all about. And in the next task, we'll be adding the credentials, certificate, and the client secret. So coming to this video, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And please share the video. Thanks everyone.